I'm Heitz Wiersma. I'm from the Netherlands, working since 2021 for Adesso in Germany. Adesso is a consultancy firm that also does a lot of development for enterprise customers and SMBs. What value can it bring? It's focused on product information management. If you look at the market nowadays, there are a lot of smaller product information management and some that can do everything, like Stibo, but Stibo is more MDM. Akeneo is more focused on product information management. That's a benefit for Akeneo. And there are cloud-based MAG Alliance, so they are ready for the future, so to say. So we are stepping in e-commerce and in the whole development away from monolith to the cloud more and more, to headless. And that is something where Akeneo is now going also that way, so it's future-proof, so to say. And it's large enough to guarantee that they will exist in the future and can keep up with the development. At the moment we are working with Lanxess, it's a client, a chemical company, and we did as Adesso a whole consultancy project. What is for Lanxess the best solution? And at a certain point you have 2-3 recommendations, okay, those solutions are fitting to you. That at a certain point how Akeneo approached Adesso as partner and the client, that is something that was very valuable, especially the help from the support team in convincing the customer that Akeneo was the right solution. And that is on enterprise level sometimes very difficult. So that's one example. The other example is where we work as strategic partner. Where is Akeneo going? What are the requirements our enterprise clients have? Akeneo is now very focused on retail. They have a lot of retail partnerships. And that's also their setup, but you see at manufacturing and at health and enterprise level that they have other requirements, and those other requirements we try to bring in as partner with Akeneo so that they have more and new focus, and that is something where we were successful in together. That's difficult to say. Every client is different. So at Adesso we have a procedure where we first look at, okay, what's the current situation at the client? What application do we have? Where are the failures where we can improve? And then they have a vision where they want to go to in the future, and we then have to adjust that to, okay, you have a vision, but how do we implement that technical? So that's the way how we approach every project, also PIM project. And then you look at why do they need it, what is needed, and then at the end you have the implementation. And that's a project method that we are using, and it works. We also do it now with PIM. And yeah, you have then a whole method where you have also for the customer, okay, this is why you need it, and this is what you need, and this is how we're gonna roll it out. And that gives the customer security and a goal, and that gives Akeneo and Adesso goals. And that's something what we like to do. Adesso is a fast-growing company in consultancy and in development. And what is one of the benefits? It has such a large range we cover. We cover manufacturing, health, insurance, banking. Now we just started in retail, but also sports and everything. So we have a lot of business that we are addressing, and below it we have a lot of experience. So we have departments that are handling SAP. We have departments that are handling commerce tools, user interfacing, graphic design, digital experience. In the company of Adesso, we have so many people we can ask, okay, I'm stuck here, can you help me? So it's mainly because we have such a large knowledge base that we always have somebody who has experience or knowledge about it, and we can consult them, draw them in the project, work with it and deliver for the customer. And that's what we're doing on PIM level now as well. No idea. But it has nothing to do with product information management.